the 2013 Subaru BRZ. This two-door, four-passenger coupe provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. Subaru made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Subaru prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Come on in and take a test drive.